kindergartners, I'm Mrs. Hanson, and today I'm going to show you how to do subtraction bowling. The first thing you need to do is you need to gather your materials. So, you are going to need some sort of a ball. You're going to need something that you can knock down. I used plastic cups that I found in my garage. You could use toilet paper rolls, you could use blocks, you can use dolls or army guys, anything that you have that can be knocked down. And then you're also going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. So, I want you to set up your paper like mine. And feel free to pause this if you need to set up your paper. Now that you have your paper set up, I want you to set up your bowling pins. In my case, I have cups, just like I did. So you have a row of 4, then a row of 3, then a row of 2, and then a row of 1. Okay, so you should have 10 bowling pins set up. Thumbs up if you have 10 bowling pins set up. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our ball and we're going to gently roll it towards the pins. We're not going to throw it overhand, and we're not going to roll it really, really hard. Okay? So I'm going to roll my ball. Oh my goodness, look how many pins I knocked over. Let's go count them. So I had 10 pins standing up, and I knocked over some. Let's count how many I knocked over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I knocked over 7 pins. Now let's count how many I still have standing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to show that on our recording sheet. So we started with 10. 10 is our hole. Our hole always goes where the 2 parts meet. So we started with 10 pins. And how many did I knock down? 7, right. I knocked down 7. So 7 is the part that got knocked down. And how many were left standing? 3, you're right. 3 is the part that's left standing. So now we're going to write that as a subtraction sentence. I started with 10 pins. I knocked down 7. And I am left with 3 pins standing. And the way you read this subtraction sentence is 10 minus 7 equals 3. So go ahead and set those cups back up like Brody's doing. You have 4 pins in the back, then 3 pins, then 2 pins, then 1 pin. We still have 10 pins. You're going to gently roll your ball and see how many pins you can knock down. So ready? Gentle. Yep, Brody's gonna roll it gently. In a row of 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Now he's going to gently roll the ball and knock down the pins. It's okay if you miss. You just pick the ball up and you try again. Try to roll it straight down. There you go. Let's go count to see how many you knocked over. If you knock some over on the ground, make sure that you can. Now we're going to count how many pins got knocked down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 got knocked down. Let's count to see how many are still standing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's go look at our recording. So we're looking at our recording sheet, and this time I have the hole over here on the left. So we started with 10 pins. We knocked down 5, And 5 were left standing. So now we're going to write that as a subtraction sentence. 10 pins, take away 5 that got knocked down, equals 5 that are still standing. 10 minus 5 equals 5. So I apologize, the ball ended up in my dog's mouth, so it's a little bit dirty. All right, so Brody set the cups back up in a row of 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, and now he's going to gently roll the ball and knock some over. Let's go see how many he knocked over. All right, let's count them. How many did you knock over?
1, 2.
He knocked over 2, and how many are still standing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, let's go over to our recording sheet. We have our recording sheet, and here I put the hole on the right side. I put the hole in different places here to show you that on a number bond, it doesn't matter where the hole is as long as the 2 parts meet at the hole. So we had 10 pins. Brody knocked down 2.
I'm the one that touched.
And there are 8 that are left standing. So 10 pins, 2 got knocked down, and 8 are left. 10 minus 2 equals 8. All right, my dog really wants to play with this ball. We have 1 more to do, and then if you want to keep playing, you can play on your own. This time I'm going to bowl. Let's see how many I get knocked down. Okay, I'm going to go count them. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 got knocked down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are still standing. Let's go fill out our recording sheet. Okay, in this number bond, I put the hole on the bottom because remember, it doesn't matter in a number bond where your hole goes. It's just showing the relationship between the parts and the hole. The 2 parts make the hole. So our hole here was 10 because we had 10 bowling pins. I knocked down 4 and 6 were still standing. Okay, so now we're going to fill out the subtraction sentence. 10 bowling pins. I knocked down 4 and 6 were still standing. 10 minus 4 equals 6. I hope you had so much fun bowling with me today. Remember to take a picture of your work and upload it to your Class Dojo portfolio so your teacher can see all of the amazing work that you are doing. And remember to be really well behaved for your families. We miss you and we can't wait to see you all again. Bye.